The report states that most crop-producing regions have seen improvements in the expected crop harvest, except the Zambezi region, which recorded a reduced harvest due to poor rainfall and fall armyworms.
The crop situation in the country doesn't look bad in most of the crop-producing regions, with the exception of the Zambezi and the commercial areas. They have actually suffered maize production, for that matter. They have actually suffered dry spells during the month of January and basically January. So, but otherwise, most of the crop producing area actually recorded, a good crop germination, and given the good rainfall that was actually received for the month of March.
It was further noted that if favorable crop growing conditions continue to prevail for the remainder of the season, the country could expect a slight reduction in the expected cereal harvest, which is provisionally forecasted at 1% lower than last season's harvest, but 12% above the average production. According to Njodi, this report is only based on crop germination, adding that a post-harvest assessment has to be done to determine whether the country will have a good harvest or not.
The next assessment will be actually at harvest, that is actually post-harvest assessment, that is actually expected to be done during the month of May to early June. By then we will be able to come up with the final estimates to indicate whether the country has a good production or not. Because this one actually is just based on the crop germination, the rainfall performance, and other favorable crop growing situation that is prevailing in the country.
The report also indicated that grazing is affected by poor rainfall performance in most parts of the country and was rated between very poor in the south and west, with the central and north central parts of the country rated as fair to good.